Hello everyone. First of all, a very good morning to all parents and children. This is Raimita Viswas, a teacher of KVRS holding master degree along with B.Ed. I am also a member of VOE examinations committee. So here I am to give you informations about VOE examination. So what is VOE examinations? So VOE means Valley Olympiad Explorer. It is our competitive examinations and we are going to organize these examinations in our school for all branches. For the KVRS, BVRS and BPVS students can enroll their name for VOE examination. So VOE, the Valley Olympiad Explorer competitive examination, is a competitive examinations and all the questions will be available in MCQ format. So the first thing that come in your mind, what is competitive examinations? The competitive examination is a kind of examination where each candidate are ranked accordingly to their grades and then top rankers are selected for further procedures. It also imparts creative thinking and holistic approach for problem solving. It's also help out to choosing a career as a student to start identifying their career as an area of interest. So we are going to organize the Valley Olympiad Explorer examinations. So the examination will be held on 18th of September 2021 and it's gonna organize for the grade 1st to 8th standard students. Only one paper will be there and the total marks is 25. As I mentioned earlier, the all question will be in MCQ format. For the first and second standard student, in one paper, 4 subjects are included. Those are English, Science, Mathematics and General Knowledge. And for the 3rd to 8th standard student, 5 subjects are included in one paper. Those are English, Science, Mathematics, Social Science and General Knowledge. So the total marks is 25 and for each question there has been a 4 option. As I mentioned earlier, it is a MCQ format. So dear student, do not waste your time, enroll your name to our members. So what is the procedure? To enroll your name, you have to pay 100 rupees for an enrollment fees. And the payment mode is online via Google Pay and Phone Pay. For the 1st to 5th standard student, they will contact or enroll your name to Mrs. Komula KS. And for the 6th to 8th standard student, they can contact me or enroll their name to me. The first thing that keep in your mind that do mention your name and class while sending enrollment fees. So dear student, enroll your name as soon as possible to our members. So our enrollment start from 2nd of August 2021 and it will end on 18th of August 2021 and our examinations, the VOE examinations will be held on 18th of September 2021. And for the lastly, for the winners, we have some surprising gifts like the cash prize, medals and certificates. So it's a request from all the VOE examinations committee to all the students, please do participate in VOE examinations and make it successful. Thank you so much.